Spread the dosa batter. The dosa batter recipe is very much given in the description box below the video. Do check it. And also, I've given all the links of different kinds of dosas which you can make with the same batter, as well as I'll be sharing all the recipe links of different batters: mixed dal batter, rava dosa, neer dosa, Mysore dosa, and etc. Do check the description box. Hey girls, so this is the idli batter. Okay, it's quite thick if you see. Now the same batter I'm going to use it for the dosa also. Just add 2 or 3 tablespoons of water to make it little thin. Not very thin, remember. The dosa batter also should never be very thin. Now give it a mix. So now you can check it's become little thin. Remember that batter should not be very thin also. It should be of medium consistency. How do we make a thin dosa? I'll just teach you that. Heat a non-stick pan. It should be hot. Okay. Um, Rub little oil all over. Drizzle some water and wipe it with a cloth. Okay, this is something I've seen the street side dosa wala doing. Start spreading it gently. Okay, I'll not be able to do justice with the shape over here because with one hand I'm holding my camera. Okay, so here it goes. How does this look? So the batter has to be a little bit thick, not very thin, because if it is very thin, I mean it will not come well. We just drizzle some ghee or oil all over. So the dosa has started leaving the pan. Okay, check this. Try one more for you all. Just go on and on, it just gets spread. That's it. Now here again you can give loads of variation. You can sprinkle some chutney powder, the gunpowder, or your Szechuan sauce with ketchup, then load it with lots of veggies, finely chopped or grated veggies, and then maybe load it again with loads of cheese, for your ginny dosa or mayo, anything, and you can do a huge lot of variation over here with these base. So here it's done. There's no need to flip and cook it. Yeah, and yeah, for your pav masala dosa, just stuff it with the potato sabji. Yeah, that's it. You see the color? So this is how they serve it. Doesn't it look like a street side dosa? Batter, you can see we will make uttapas, the thick dosas. Uttapas are nothing but the thick dosas. That's it. After pouring the batter, remember to reduce your flame to medium. Don't keep it high, else it starts burning from down and the top portion will not be cooked so well. So now you have to cook it on medium flame. In uttapa, you will see that bubbles getting formed everywhere. Once you see the top portion, dried up a bit, it's not that wet. Drizzle some drizzle some ghee or oil all over. Again, you can give a variation over here. Top it with loads of grated veggies or just onion or gunpowder or anything. These dosas are a bit thick. These dosas need to be flipped and cooked on the other side also. So, this is how it looks on the other side. Allow it to cook. Once it is done, again serve it with any South Indian accompaniments like your gunpowder or your chutney or your tomato chutney. And yeah, we South Indians love it with any What do we say? Non-veg gravies also. The Kerala people like it with this too. Yeah, now girls, I will show you how to make topi dosa. You need a scissor, okay? Kitchen scissors. Your dosa is almost done. Give it a slit. Okay. Again, I would like to specify as I'm just doing it with one hand. My other hand is holding a camera. So I'll not be able to do full justice to the recipe. I mean to the making of it. But just try to understand it. Take this one portion and rotate it like this. Yeah. Wow, they are very crispy, yaar. So there it goes. Your topi dosa is ready. Now you have to flip it. Wait. Yes, here. The topi dosa is also done. Call it a pyramid dosa, call it a ghee dosa, or you call it a topi dosa. Kids love it. एक की जगह पे दो खा लेंगे. Go ahead and give it a try.